Canada study visa full process is something everyone needs, the authentic information, because आजकल ये trend हो गया है that everyone wants to study abroad but they lack the full information. So this video is going to be a detailed one, and I am right now at Versatile Academy and we are going to tell you step by step how can you get started and get your visa, the full process. So let's get started. I'm going to get ma'am and sir in the frame, or let's begin with this video. So the very first step, sir, is going to tell you how can you start with your study visa full process. The first ideal step is to...
So the first ideal step is to hire a consultant or visit a consultant who is into overseas education, because a consultant, I think, is very important person, because he has a lot of idea. He can counsel you properly, he can give you multiple options, and your process could be more easier. So I think that the first step is, if it is possible, to hire a good consultant. If you know some good consultant in your area, in your city, you can just go visit and take a basic idea about the procedure.
Right, or else you can contact us as well, Versatile Overseas. Tell us, ma'am, what is the second step towards the process?
Okay, so once you visit the consultancy, you meet the counselor. The counselor will help you to choose the program. Okay, if you have already completed your bachelor's program, like either 12+3 or 12+4 here in India, you can opt for graduate certificate program or post-degree diploma program or the master's program.
Yeah.
Or if you are looking after your 12th standard, okay, you can go ahead with 2 years of diploma program, 3 years of advanced diploma program, or 4 years of complete bachelor's program in Canada.
Right. So Anisha, tell us about the step 3 which is required.
So the step 3 is to clear the English proficiency exam, that is IELTS. So the requirement for IELTS is overall 6.5 band with no less than 6 in each module, that is listening, reading, speaking and writing. Even Manvi, she was a student, she cleared the IELTS exam from Versatile Academy.
Yeah.
She got the training from here.
So that is like the first step for a student to just clear it. उसके बिना आप नहीं start कर सकते, तो the most important step, I guess. So tell us about the fourth major step you need.
Yeah, so the fourth step is, once you're done with the exam, you need to apply in the university or the colleges.
Okay, and what do you think, how many colleges or universities are more than enough to apply in?
So you should apply at least in like 4 to 5 universities.
Right, and that too, all are paid or some are free?
Some are paid and some are free.
So yeah, you can definitely go for 5-6 aram se if some of them are free, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So the fifth point is, the students, they start receiving the offers from the university or the colleges where they have already applied. So that would be easier for the students to compare the offers, okay, according to their budget.
Right, and the sixth point is also related to that. And what is that, ma'am?
The sixth point would be, now we need to prepare the financial documents. Okay, if the student is willing to go under loan process, according to the tuition fees, the student can opt for the loan. So the consultant can help you out getting the loan as well.
Yeah, so you can contact on this number if you want the loan facilities with Versatile Academy, right?
Yes.
The seventh most important point is, now that you got your offers, now you have done with the selection, आपको कौन सा लेना है, now you need to pay the fee. Without payment of the fees, no one is going to get you in the college. So the first step is that you pay and then you receive your receipts and take care of the receipts, because that is what is going to be very useful for you. And now ma'am will tell us the eighth point.
Yeah, so the point 8 is that the student has to prepare for GIC, that is Guaranteed Investment Certificate. The amount for Canada is 10,000 Canadian dollar. This amount the student can use for the living expenses in Canada.
So the next step is to clear the medical examination with a registered panel doctor or hospital.
So the 10th step is that you prepare for student visa application. Application needs everything on point. So थोड़ा time लगता है इस चीज़ को, that you prepare for SOP, your documents, your financial documents, and academics. You arrange it all, and the next step is what we are going to tell you.
So once your profile is done, and your all the academic documents, your proof of funds, everything is done. Where now the student is ready to file the visa. According to the profile, will file either in SDS or non-SDS category. Once you file the visa, the student will receive the biometric instruction letter. After that, the student can book the biometric date, and then you need to wait for your visa.
So guys, this was the 11 steps full process that you need to get done when you are planning to apply for Canada or planning for study visa. We are super glad to share the authentic information with you all. Make sure to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. And yeah, for more updates, you need to really subscribe, and you can visit our branch. And yeah, let us know in the comment section what all are the questions that are bothering you. We will definitely answer them. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.